Hey, this is Brent with HotJet. Today we're going to demo how to run and operate the Kubota HotJet 2 unit. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you've got your valves in the startup position here. So we're all in our startup position there. We're going to use the remote. So we'll just flip this little switch right there, and then we're going to hit the auto. And then we'll go ahead and walk over here. You want to make sure that you've got your water turned on and everything's fed to the front. So we have our water on here, everything. So we'll be good when we fire it up. We won't have any problems with the water. We want to get our hose ready to put in our pipe there to run. So you want to take and put this O-ring back here, and then you put your fitting on here, and you can get on there better if you pull that O-ring back, otherwise it can be a little tricky. So you want to snug that up, put that O-ring back on there to protect the insides of that Warthog there so you don't fill it full of the stuff from your sewer line.
Now let's tell them about lubricating the Warthog. About every week you're supposed to lubricate it.
So you want to lubricate your Warthog here. So that comes with this little service kit here. And you're going to go ahead and inject the stuff in these to keep it fluid running good and smooth in there. Hydraulic fluid. So we're going to have Barton take that. We'll go ahead and put that back there in the hole. Got our remote here. We'll go ahead and hit our starter button here once, and that's going to activate that. And we'll hit that again, and the time will count on the computer. Fire it up right there. Go ahead and take our throttle up a little bit there. We're going to open up our line reel there. Shut this off, which will activate our water. Got our pressure gauge here we can go off of. The burner. Turn our burner on. Open here, our soap valve right here. You just turn that open a little bit. It'll draw the soap through everything. It takes a minute for it to get out the 300 foot. Close that off when you're done. You're going to turn the burner off so it can be cooling down while you're getting all the soap out of your lines. And we'll go ahead and idle this back down. We're going to open up our bypass so everything's bypassing. Shut that off, and then you would be ready to turn it off from that point. Hit the button. There we go.
Alright, let's show
now we'll go ahead and show you some of the other stuff here. Got our wash down unit there. Get our gun. There's that. We ready? Okay, anytime. Down there. We'll go ahead and show you the foot pedal unit here. We're going to run the foot pedal unit here, your lateral, so you can go into the tight spots. We've got our little 1/4 inch setup here. You can get 1/8 inch, so you can go down into the smaller lines. Got our little 4-pack set here. Go ahead and put our unit in there. We'll let Mario run that. He likes to run those, or Barton. Of course, you want to make sure you have your heat down real good for this, because this 1/4 inch hose, it gets hot easier, so you want to make sure that temperature's down good and low so you don't have any troubles with that. And also your pressure, you don't want to rev it way up high. Go ahead and show you our little turbo nozzle for some good heavy duty power wash in there. Okay, go ahead. Put that on there.
Always relieve your pressure.
Always relieve the pressure so you can unhook your valve there. Okay, for this we'll turn her back up good and loud again. Go ahead and open our bypass back up again. shut that down. Now they can disconnect all of that. Small crescents behind you. We'll put that on. You can do the 12-inch and get her all the way up for the bigger stuff. And these will make sure you don't have any run back on you.
Well, explain the Stinger in more detail. So this is put in line so that the hose can't come back after.
Right. So it gets some weight to it so it can't come and chase back out after you. So that's a safety precaution.
To do an 8-inch line.
Yeah. We'll go ahead.
On your Warthog. Bruce can clean a bigger pipe.
Yeah. We got our line open here. We'll turn the volume up a little, engage it. Turn this over here to that, and that gives you your antifreeze, and then you just idle it until it comes out the end of the hose. Shut the valve off in the back, which will in turn kick the unloader in so it'll run back up to the tank, so you're prepared there. And then in the morning you just turn it back to the main tank, stick your hose in there, and you squirt it back in there, and then you're good to go, and you've reclaimed your antifreeze. Your pulsator valve here, you're going to have it going full bore with your quad. You're going to open that up. That's going to hammer the line so you can break it free, and then close it back off so you don't have it wear and tear on the pump. And that's about the size of it. So thanks a lot. Good luck.